Hey guys, so we are going to walk to the Funko store. It's about 15 minutes away from where we are, so we're gonna go and explore that area. We've already explored this area, now we're going that area. We're gonna pass the Capitol Records, which is obviously infamous. They've held Lady Gaga, Nat King Cole, Frank Sinatra, the Beatles. They've held pretty much all the big singers, bands and stuff like that, so yeah. I'm excited to go that side because also we want to see like how fast it is to get to Trader Joe's, since it is, I've seen people walk to Trader Joe's. Someone's moving in with a big truck. Oh, you need all the patience, my friend, trust me. But it's a beautiful day here today. It's warm again, which is crazy that we're in January, so no wind, just clear skies and nice weather. All right, now let's go walk and not get all sweaty. So let's go.
Got one in a flat.
Oh.
Who was it? What actor it was it?
Hey, Limo. Damn. We had a valley pack.
Had a fat goblin. That's nice.
Definitely want to come in here and check it out. This looks so cool. Hey, that's a cool store. What do we got here? Yeah, I know. We gotta try it. Oh,
That was Las Vegas. What the hell? This one on Vegas Rose.
oh, pizza. Pizza. There's all these like cool little shops here. I don't know. Looks pretty cool to me.
I treated so that bad.
Green! Sinful pizza. A castle of sin. And they got dripping cheese. Kind of a place we need to check out.
I think it's closed.
Like for good?
Yeah, they didn't look like they had it. It's just burn shows there.
Oh, damn.
Well, someone's standing up there.
Hey,
Look,
that's...
Johnny Cash.
What? My buddy Steve Owen.
Yeah.
Look, Capitol Records, that's it. Long ball. Not bad. Well, that was sketchy.
Ooh, Capitol Records.
I know. That's pretty cool.
There's some shade over here.
Delicioso.
It only took 12 minutes to get to this side.
Really?
Yeah, here's a W already. So it's like, yeah, 10 minutes long. Depends too if we catch all the, if we don't have to wait at intersections of the light change. Get here. Get here 10 minutes.
Hey, the W where I spend my birthday. Yeah, I live here.
Ooh.
That is so cool.
A year ago.
A year ago, yeah.
We were here.
Oh, I want to come here so bad. It's a really, really old theater. Barry Man. Billy Joel.
The piano man.
The piano man. Hey. Where we came on for my birthday.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
We might have passed it already. Fine.
Hey, look, Dunkin' Donuts. The Everly. We made it to the Funko. That is so cool. Oh my god, you guys, we are back. I actually came here for my 34th birthday and I live here now. And I'm gonna be turning 35. That's actually pretty cool. Oh my god, April would lose her mind. April, if you're watching, this is all for you. Oh my god. April, look.
Is that a bag?
It's a bag.
Look at these little ones.
Aww. Yeah, it looks like this.
Well, that's cool.
She's gonna lose it when she sees this one. That is so cute. Oh look, it's Lilo's home. This is not bad. Oh
The
yeah.
fuzzy one.
That is so cute. What do you want? That one? All items.
Hey, Snoop.
Hey, it's OZZIE.
Yeah, a little bit.
This is where you got me the Hagrid. Do they have the Slytherin?
I did.
It's so cool. How much are they going for? $90. It's a lot for a bag. This is my favorite part here. Oh my god. I want him. $12.99. That's a pretty cool one.
The limit does not exist.
The limit doesn't. I love this.
This
one.
actually looks like your bag that you have right now.
Oh yeah.
It's like good for your phone.
That's actually a pretty cool bag, this one here. The pink ladies. To me, you are perfect. I want these two.
But you need yours.
This is from Clueless.
That was from Clueless. Is that
Yeah.
from Clueless as well?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Hey, OZZIE.
Love you.
Look.
See there, come on.
Yeah. Hi, my baby. Hi, OZZIE. Oh, we are so warm, Mr. Gogies. Hey guys, so we're going to check out this food truck. It is like, it's got tacos, caramelos, and all that stuff. So we're gonna go try it out. We've never gone out at night on Hollywood Boulevard, but this is going to be the first time. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that different from Fremont Street. You guys know that we lived in Fremont and the art district in Las Vegas for like 4.5 years, so we definitely saw a share of different at night. So hopefully it's not that different, you know, because during the day it really isn't. I mean, the smells are the same as Fremont, the homelessness are the same like Fremont, you know, but yeah, nighttime is always different everywhere. If you tell me, you know, where not to go in Sydney, I will tell you don't go to King's Cross at night on a Friday or Saturday night, even Sunday night. It's a different crowd. Unless you know people, then go. But if you're new to Sydney, don't go to King's Cross. Well, I don't know, maybe it's changed, but back in the day it was crazy. It was crazy. You knew like what was going on. You kept quiet. You just kept partying and stuff like that, and you had a couple of friends that did a few things, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it was just a different crowd. But yeah, if you tell me where not to go in Sydney, I will tell you King's Cross. Where else? Sefton Park. Never go there. You guys are probably like, what? Where? Sefton and Guildford. Don't ever go there in Sydney because yeah, it's not good. And Blacktown and Bankstown and Campbelltown. Never go to those places, just in case. But all right, let's go. Probably. Oh my god. CDs. Now that is fun. That's so cool. That is so we got our tacos or caramelos, right? No, quesadilla. Caramelos, same thing. Right, we're home. Let's go. Guys, so this is the plate that we got at Los Patrones. They give you a little bit of garnish, sauces, and then these are massive.
There's actually 4 pieces because there is.
Yeah, there's a lot. Oh, wow.
So this is what you get for $10.
$10 each, so $21.